Now let's go ahead and talk about the retirement accounts, as this is one of the biggest pieces of news surrounding Robinhood in recent years, because these retirement accounts that they offer are pretty slick. If you're looking to invest for the super long term and take advantage of compound interest without worrying about taxes, something like a Roth IRA is a really solid option, and that's now available through Robinhood. We're going to scroll through here and just take a look at some of the options here in the tiles. I don't have a full-blown retirement account set up with them, but if you wanted to, it can all be done under one roof. And we're also going to talk about a contribution match that they offer, which is rather unheard of. If you have Robinhood Gold, which is their paid subscription plan, they offer a 3% extra match on top of your contributions to your retirement account, which is pretty insane. Now, you do have to pay for Robinhood Gold. I'm going to show you that shortly. But if you are maxing out your contributions, for example, it might be worth it if you run the numbers and see what that cost ends up being. But even if you don't have Robinhood Gold, you would still get a 1% match on top of what you contribute. So if you're looking to invest with a Roth IRA and maximize those contributions, you can get an extra 1 to 3% bonus on top of what you put in simply using Robinhood. They also have recommended portfolios if you don't want to be fully in control yourself, which is a really cool option. And of course, it's all going to be in a tax advantaged manner. So myself, I would personally suggest that you get started on the Robinhood investment side with your taxable brokerage account, get familiar, and then think about setting up a long-term investment goal here and use the retirement section of the app for that.